Good morning and welcome, Team Southside, where teamwork makes the dream work. Mr. Reynolds here.
And Mr. Beatty. Good morning, Stallions. Great to see you.
Go ahead and stand and prepare for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, Math Talks.
Math Talks. I'm excited about this one. We got a new little math talk.
But before we want to talk about what the answer was to
Oh,
yesterday,
right.
because it was a little bit more challenging. I feel
Yes.
when we get more challenging, we probably should tell the answer, right?
I think so.
So I had this picture, which you can see just a little bit. We don't have to put the yellow one back up there.
Yep.
But there were 39 unit cubes in there.
39.
Yeah, a little bit more difficult, few more dimensions to it than we had.
Yeah.
And we have a new math talk today. Mr. Beatty's going to put the picture up here for us to
Right
see.
there.
And what you're trying to do in this one is determine the area of the shape. And an important thing to know anytime you're trying to figure out the area is what is one hole. You got to know where the hole is in order to figure out what the area is.
Yep.
And so the cube that you can see down on the bottom left-hand side of the
Down there.
picture
Yep.
does show what one hole is. And so if that is one hole, how much is the total area? And a little hint, since this is the first one, I'll give you a hint. There is a fraction involved in this answer.
You're going to tell them that on the first day, Mr. Reynolds?
Well, since
First
this is
day?
the first time, I figure we have to at least
I mean, on one?
tell.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
All right, then.
So there's a fraction involved.
A fraction.
Might need to stop the video. Take a little time to think about this one since it's brand new. It may not take as long
Yeah.
in the future, but this one, maybe since it's brand new.
It's a pretty cool one. I like it. So the
Yeah.
little white square has a value of 1. That is
Yes.
one hole. Yeah.
White square's one hole.
Cool. I like it. So, guys, you can see we're standing here in 5th grade. We're reading about the incredible Mr. Bryan, one of our custodians. And 5th grade has written some tall tales about Mr. Bryan. And Mr. Reynolds, did you have a favorite tall tale? Did you
Well,
see
I
something
like a
there?
lot of them, but I did find this one about the terrible milk spill quite entertaining and interesting.
Yeah, a little too real for me. Lots of milk, lots of milk being spilled.
Spend any time in the cafeteria. Yes. that
Lots of
happens.
milk. Well, there's one about snakes in the toilet down here, which you should stop by in 5th grade and definitely read. Pretty exciting story. And a little scary, snakes in the toilet, but I like that. Pretty exciting.
Well, our very own Mr. Bryan is a real life hero, just for the things he does for us here in school.
He totally is, yes.
So-
yeah, he's pretty amazing.
Well deserved, all these great stories about him.
Yeah, some of them are tall tales, some of them probably not so tall. Like he's done a lot of amazing things. So
Definitely.
yeah. Stallions, don't forget that next week on Wednesday is an early release day, so 12:35. That's like a half day early release day. All right, so don't forget about that. Teachers are going to work in the afternoon, and you guys will be going home. So don't forget about that.
That's right.
We love seeing you guys being safe and respectful and responsible, and
It's always a great day to be a Southside Stallion.
See ya.